Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my carrot jollof rice. So I just started by washing my rice, putting it on the fire, boiling it, parboiled it, and here is the parboiled rice. I just kept it aside, rinsed it with a little bit of water and turned it out. The funny thing is that I never even planned out to make this. I just wanted to make regular rice and stew and then cut up the carrots and, just use it to garnish the food. But something just occurred to me that why can't I blend it? I was very lazy. As if you can look at me properly, you see I'm backing my baby. So I didn't want to deal with the stress of dicing the carrots. So here you can see me. I have scraped my carrots and rinsed them properly, so I just put them into the blender and blended, and this is what the blended paste looks like. I'm just showing you guys the thickness of the paste. I didn't put too much water. Next, I carried my pot, put some oil in the pot, heated it up, and added my onions, gave that a good stir. Also, in the pot you can also see I have little cloves of garlic. I just cut off some garlic, so that is onions and garlic in the pot. So you fry this to give it a very good scent. Next, you turn in your carrot just the way you would do if you were using tomatoes. So fry it a little bit, add your spices. Here I'm adding my seasoning powder, add your salt, add your pepper if you want, add your seasoning cubes, add whatever you want to put inside to spice your food. And when you're done with that, just cover the pot and allow it boil. Of course, let's not forget our protein. So I put my protein in, of which I had already used the air fryer to just like fry it up a little bit, and then you cover the pot, allow it boil, and next you have to add in your parboiled rice. So this is me just turning in the parboiled rice and trying to give it a good stir so that all the sauce is mixed properly with the food and no part is left without sauce. While turning, I realized that my spoon was not doing a proper job, so I had to go get a stronger spoon to turn. That's my stick for turning gari. I had to go get it to turn the food properly so that I'll be able to mix everything. I just let this on the fire just to cook a little bit because the rice was almost done, and this is what it looked like just before cooking it. So you guys should kindly try out this recipe and let me know if you like it. Here you have the finished product. Voila! Thanks for watching. Bye.